Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today, we're going to be taking a quick break from our Amtrak train, and we're going to work on a freight train here. As you can see, we're going to be building an autorack. As you can see out there, we've already done one autorack in a previous video, but thanks to Railfan Kyle for requesting that I show how to build this grand trunk autorack and making this video possible. So as usual, I'm going to build it on the end of the train I already have. So I'm just getting down to the end of the train here. The first thing we're going to do is take out a dark oak stair to be the coupler and put it right there. Underneath that, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate to be the air hose. Come in behind that coupler with yellow concrete, and we're going to build a 3x2 behind there. On the outside edges, place upside down birch stairs facing outward on each side. On top of the stairs, we're going to put 2 cyan concrete. Now take out coal and put 4 coal coming down and another cyan concrete. Now 2 coal and another cyan concrete. And then we need to make 5 rows of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a concrete. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a concrete, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a concrete, that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a concrete, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, concrete, that's 5. Then another row of 2 and a concrete, and another row of 4, and then 2 concrete. So the side paneling should have 4 and then 2 on each end, and then 5 rows of 4 in the middle. Now we're going to make our trucks, and on freight cars they're usually rusty, so I'm using a stripped dark oak log. And we're going to come one in front of where the first single cyan concrete is. And we want to put them on each rail, but we want them facing sideways so it looks like a wheel. Delete the middle ones you used to place it and put an end rod for an axle. Switch to spruce wood stairs, and we're going to make an upside down back-to-back T-shaped pattern with the stairs coming 3 across from each rail here. And then in front of that, we'll use more stripped logs for the wheels, making sure they're facing sideways, and an end rod axle. Now we're going to go down and do the same thing on the other end for the other truck here. So same thing, we're going to come one in front of the first single cyan concrete there to put the wheels. So sideways stripped logs with an end rod axle in the middle. Spruce wood stairs upside down in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern coming 3 across the rails here. And then more sideways stripped logs to be the wheels. And of course an end rod axle. Now on the outside edge here, we're going to place hoppers on each wheel, and then dark oak fence to be the shocks in between on the stairs. So same thing here, hopper on each wheel and fence on each stair. And then we come down to the other end and finish off this truck as well. So a hopper on each wheel and a fence on each stair. And you can play around with all the fences and block colors for your trucks on a freight car if you want a more rusty or cleaner look. I wanted this one to be rusty, so I used different colors of wood. Now take out your yellow concrete, and we're going to fill in this middle 3 on the second block up, all the way to the other end of the car. Now we're going to build the coupler on this end, so come around with a dark oak stair and stack it to the right height. Delete the one used for placement. Take out a dark oak fence gate for the air hose and make it coming all the way into the wheels, so it looks like it goes under the car. And now that this side's done, we got to extend out this air hose to the wheels as well. Now we have to mirror our pattern on this side. So 2 cyan concrete, 4 coal. Concrete, 2 coal. Concrete, 4 coal. Concrete, 4 coal. concrete, 4 coal, concrete, 4 coal, concrete, 4 coal, concrete, 2 coal, concrete, another 4 coal, and 2 concrete. Come on down to this bottom edge here, and we're going to work on it. So 2 more of birch stairs upside down and facing outward. Then 2 polished blackstone stairs. Then 4 more birch stairs coming down. Then a polished blackstone, and then 2 smooth quartz and a polished blackstone. That just represents some lettering. And then we're going to drag birch all the way down to the other end of the car. So we should be looking something like this right now. Now we're going to come around and do the other side, and it's opposite, so we're starting from this end. So right there we have 2 blackstone stairs, and then 4 birch on the end, and then another 4 of birch, then a blackstone, 2 smooth quartz, and a blackstone, and then fill to the other end with birch. Now we're going to come around on top and take out our cyan concrete again. And we're going to raise these up by another 6 so that the cyan concrete is 7 blocks tall in total. So raise all of these concretes up by another 6. Now we have all our support beams in, and we need to put all the side paneling on. So, in all of these spaces between the concrete, we're going to fill them on both sides all the way to the top with coal ore. And just keep it coming on the other side. Building autoracks can be tedious. So now our side should be done and look something like that. If you don't like how the coal block looks for the side paneling, you can use other blocks. Down here I have an example of an autorack where I use stacked smooth stone slabs for the side panels. It's just up to you. I like to mix and match them so every autorack looks a little different. Now we're going to work on the end, so take out cyan wool and come down here on the end, and we're going to build a 2x3, 1 in the middle. Then warp stairs upside down facing outward like this and like this, so it looks kind of like the door hinges. Then another 2x3 of wool and another one in the middle. And then same thing, another set of stairs facing outwards, and then wool across the very top. And then we're going to do the same thing down on the other end here. So come into the end, and we're going to make a 2x3 of the wool, 1 in the middle, and then upside down facing outward stairs on each side, and then another 2x3 of wool, 1 in the middle, upside down outward stairs on each side, and wool across the top to finish this door. Now we'll do the top, so take out a smooth quartz block and put 3 coming across the middle of the top like this, and we're going to drag that 3 all the way down to the other end. Once that middle 3 is filled in, switch to a smooth quartz slab, and we're going to put this on the outside edge here and drag that all the way end to end on both sides of the car. Now we're going to come on the corner here and we're going to make a ladder. So take out a Minecraft ladder and we're going to make it going from bottom to top on this first cyan concrete here. And we're going to do the same thing on all 4 corners of the car. So come down here, and a ladder going bottom to top here. Same thing on this other side here. A ladder going bottom to top. And we're going to put a lever on the next one down on the bottom for the handbrake. And then one more corner to go, and we'll put a ladder bottom to top here as well. Now on this end, come where the gap is only 2 wide, 1 block down, and we're going to knock out 4 here and make a 2x2 of cyan concrete. That's where the logo will be. Then we come on down to the opposite end of the car on the other side because it's asymmetrical. And we knock out the same thing here, 1 block down, a 2x2 of cyan concrete. Now we need to make some banners for the logo. So get out a loom and come into it. We're going to use a cyan banner here. And then white dye. We put a vertical on the right and a horizontal in the bottom. Then we switch to cyan dye and we make the top half cyan. Then we switch back to white dye and we put a vertical on the left and a horizontal on top. Then a new banner with white dye, vertical in the middle, horizontal on top. Then switch to cyan dye and put a cyan border around each of these. And now we have our letter banners so we can put it on the car. So in this square we just made, spell out GT with the banners. And then come around on the other end and we'll do the exact same thing here. So on that square that we just made, spell out GT. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this old Grand Trunk auto rack. And once again, thanks to Railfan Kyle for requesting that I make this video. And make sure you stay tuned for more railfanning action and Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.